Hey, champions! Welcome back. I'm so glad you are here. Today's session is going to completely change the way you look at percentage problems. I understand percentage confuse a lot of students. Sometimes you are asked if A is 40% less than B, then what percent is B more than A? And most aspirants freeze. I have been there myself. I know the frustration when the clock is ticking in the exam hall. That's why today I'm going to simplify this once and for all. So I want you to take your notebook and your pen right now. Write down every step. And when you learn something new, drop it in the comment box below. Because when you share, you learn even faster. Now, let's get into action. We are going to solve 18 previous year questions one by one. With each question, you will see how this more person and less person logic works like magic. No confusion, no getting stuck, just pure clarity. And remember, stay till the end because I'm going to share a hack that will blow your mind. Once you understand it, you will solve not just these 18 questions, but dozens of others in just few seconds. Here is the deal. Most students think these are tough, but the truth is there is a hidden relationship between more person and less person. Once you see it, you can cut down your calculation time by half or even more. That's the hack I will reveal after solving all 18 questions. So don't skip and watch till the end. Comparing two numbers using more person and less person. When we compare two numbers, write the bigger number on the top of the smaller number. Now we are comparing A and B. Here, A is greater than B. More person means difference between two numbers, A minus B, divided by the smaller number into 100. Less person is A minus B divided by A into 100. Learn by this formula. These are the two formulas we have to use. Let's apply this logic. Question number 1. If A is 50% more than B, 50% more, how to write 50% more? The smaller number, right, take 100 because person means out of 100. 50% more, 100 plus 50, 150. This is 50% more. A is 50% more than B. Can cancel it. 5, 3 or 15, 5, 2 or 10. B is how much person less than A? We have to find less person. Less person is difference between two numbers, 3 minus 2, that is 1, divided by bigger number, 3 into 100. 3, 3 are 9. 3, 3 are 9. 0.33. When 100 is divided by 3, the answer is 3, 3 are 9, 1, 0, 3, 3 are 9, 1 point. If the salary of Manoj is 40% less than that of Subhas, then by how much percentage is the salary of Subhas more than that of Manoj? We have to write 40% less. 40% less is, the base is 100. 100 minus 40, that is 60. 60 is 40% less than 100. Manol's is 40% less than that of Subhas. Can cancel here. 2, 3 or 6, 2, 5 or 10. We have to find more person. More means more person. Difference 5 minus 3, that is 2, divided by smaller number 3 into 100. When 200 is divided by 3, the answer is 3, 6 or 18. 3, 6 or 18.6. If we want to convert this into mixed number, divide by 6.6. The fraction part divided by the biggest single digit number, that is 9. 3, 2 or 6, 3, 3 or 9. The answer is 66, 2 by 3. Where do you get 66, 2 by 3? 66.66 is the same as 66, 2 by 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 3. If P is 25% less than Q, then Q is how much percent more than P? How to write 25% less? The base is 100. 100 minus 25, that is 75. 75 is 25% less than 100. P is 25% less than Q. Cancel with 25. 25 into 3 is 75. 25 into 4 is 100. We have to find more person. More person is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1, divided by the smaller number 3 into 100. When 100 is divided by 3, the answer is 3.33. Option 3 is the right answer. I'll solve 18 questions like this. After that, I'll share the hack. After knowing the trick, you'll be able to tell the answer without any calculation. Are you ready to learn? Okay, you stay till the end. Let's move to the next question. The price of building was 80% of its original price. 2002, the price was 60% of the original price. By what percent did the price decrease? We have to find less percent. Write the two number 80 and 60. Cancel it. 2, 3 are 6, 2, 4 are 8. We have to find less percent. Less percent is difference between two number divided by bigger number into 100. 4, 2 are 8. 4, 5 are 20. Less percent is 25%. Next question. Question number 5. The price of electricity has been increased by 25%. 25% more. 100 plus 25. 1, 2, 5. This is 25% more than 100. If the person wants to keep the expenditure same, then the percentage reduction in use of electricity should be. We have to find less percent. Cancel it by 25. 25 into 4 is 100. 25 into 5 is 125. Less percent formula is Difference between two numbers, 5 minus 4, 1, divided by bigger number into 100. 5, 2 or 10. We have one more 0. Option 4 is the right answer. I'll move faster, okay? Question number 6. If the price of apples increases from Rs 80 per kg to Rs 100 per kg, by what person a person should decrease the consumption of apple so that his expenditure remains the same? The two numbers are 100 and 80. Cancel it. 2, 4 or 8. 2, 5 or 10. Decrease means less person, okay? Less person. 5 minus 4, 1, divided by bigger number, 5 into 100. 5, 2 or 10, we have one more 0. The answer is option 3, 20% is less. 7. The price of sugar increased by 20%. 20% increase means 100 plus 20, 120. A person wants to increase his expenditure by 8% only. 8% increase means 100 plus 8, 108. By what person should be decrease his consumption? Decrease means less person. Cancel it. I can cancel it 4. 4, 3 or 12. 4, 2 or 8, 28. 4, 7 or 28. Less person is 30 minus 27 is 3 divided by 30 into 100. 0, 0 cancel, 3, 3 cancel. Answer is 10. Option 1 is the right answer. Next question, question number 8. The price of cooking oil increased by 25%. 25% more. 100 plus 25. 1, 2, 5. Find by how much percentage a family must reduce its consumption in order to maintain the same budget. 100 is the best. 1 to 5 is 25% increase. Cancel it. 25 into 4. 25 into 5 is 1 to 5. Less person. Less person is 5 minus 4, 1, divided by bigger number into 100. 5, 2 or 10, we have 0, 20% less. 20% decrease means 25% more. Therefore, decalculate similar question. Mohan purchased a table for rupees 1,260. Due to some scratch on its top, he sold it for 1,197. What is his lost person? You have to find less person. Bigger number is 1,260. Small number is 1,197. I can cancel with the number 9. 9, 1 is 9, 3, 6, 9, 4, 36. 9, 1 is 9, 29. 9 through 27. 2, 7, 9 through 27. Loss means less person. E double S. Less person. Difference 10 minus 3 is 7. Divided by bigger number 140 into 100. Cancel 0, 0. 7, 1 is 7. 7 to 14. Cancel 2 and 10. 2, 5 or 10. The answer is 5. Option 4 is the right answer. Question number 11. If the price of petrol is increased by 28%, 28% more is 100 plus 28. 1, 28. This is 20% increase from 100. By what percentage should the consumption be decreased by the consumer if the expenditure on petrol remains unchanged? You have to find less percent. Cancel with the number 4. 25. 4, 3 or 12. 4, 2 or 8. Now, less percent. Difference. 12 minus 5 is 7. Divided by bigger number, 32 into 100. 4, 8 or 32. 4 into 25. Multiply 7 and 25. 7, 5, 35. 3 hands. 7 to 14. Plus 3. 17. Divided by 8. Divide 175 by 8. 8, 2 are 16. 1, 5. 8, 1 is 8. 15 minus 8, 7. 0.0. 8, 8 are 64. 6. 21.8. Option 2 is the right answer. 12. A shopkeeper bought a cycle for 1,200 and sold it for 1,500. Cost price is less than selling price. Selling price is 1,500. Cost price is 1,200. That means profit. More percent. Cancel it. 3, 4, 12. 3, 5 or 15. More percent. 5 minus 4, 1 divided by more percent is divided by the smaller number 4 into 100. 4 into 25 is 100. 25% profit. Next question. Question number 13. The ratio of the cost price and the selling price of an article is 10 is to 11. 11, bigger number is on the top of smaller number. The gain is more. More percent. 11 minus 10, 1 divided by smaller number into 100. Cell 0, 0, we have 10% gain. Next question, question number 14. The mark price of a mustard oil is 25% more than its cost price. At what percentage less than the mark price should it be sold to have a profit? To have no profit and no loss. 25% more is 125. Base is 100. Less percent. Less percent is 25 into 4. 25 into 5. 1 divided by 5 into 100. 5, 2 or 10. Question number 15. A shopkeeper offers the following 2 discount schemes. Number A, buy 3, get 4 free. Three plus 4 is 7. You have to buy only 3. This is your A. B. Buy 5, get 6 free. You have to buy 5. Total is 5 plus 6, 11. Discount means less percent. Therefore, the base is 11 and 7. These are both prime numbers. To make it equal, multiply this side by 11, this side by 7, so that the product is 7 into 11, 77. This is 7 into 11 is 77. Multiply with the same number. Multiply this with 7, this number with 11. 11 into 3 is 33. 7 5 are 35. Here discount is less. 7 minus 3, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. 7 minus 5, 2. 7 minus 3, 4. 44 is more than 42. Therefore, A. Which scheme has maximum discount? A has maximum discount. Option 1 is the right answer. Question number 16. If the price of petrol increased by 7%, then by what percentage should the consumption be decreased by the customer? 7% increase, 100 plus 7, 107 from 100. We can cancel. We have to find less percent. Less 107 minus 100 is 7 divided by 107 into 100. This is 700 divided by 107. Divide 700 by the number 107. 6. 7 6 are 42. 6 1 is 6. Remainder is 10 minus 2 8. 9 minus 4 5. 58 is smaller than 107. Write the remainder here next to 6, 8. Divided by divisor 107. The answer is 658 by 107. Option 1 is the right answer. 17. Find the gain percentage given that Citi sold her scooter for 71,785, gaining 1/5 of the selling price. Out of 5, take out one part. This is one part. This is profit gain. 5 minus 1 is 4. Gain percentage, that is more percent. 5 minus 4, 1 divided by more means smaller number into 100. 4, 2 are 8, 20, 4, 5 are 20. The answer is 25. So 2 is the right answer. Gaining 1/6. Out of 6, one part is gain. This is one part. 6 minus 1 is 5. Gain is more. More percent is 6 minus 5, 1 divided by smaller number 5 into 100. 5, 2 are 10. 20. Option 3 is the right answer. Okay. More to less. A is 10% more than B, implies B is 9.09% less than A. I'm taking approximate value here, okay? 10 is more than 9.09. More is always greater than less. Remember this. Here, I want you to learn about this. This is not fraction. A is 25% more than B, implies B is 20% less than A. Less to more. A is 10% less than B implies B is 11.11% more than A. 10 is less than 11.11. Less is always smaller than more. Remember this. This is no fraction. Remember this. A is 20% less than B implies B is 25% more than A. Let's repeat number 1. A is 50% more than B. More. We have to find less. It must be less than 50. 1 cannot be the answer. Option 2 cannot be the answer. Option 3 cannot be the answer. The only possible answer is option 4. 25% less. We have to find more. It must be greater than 25. 1 cannot be the answer. 2 cannot be the answer. 4 cannot be the answer. The only possible number which is greater than 25 is 33. This is the answer. 5. Increase means more. 25% more means 20% less. The reduction means less. 20% less. Decrease less. 20% less means 25% more. 25% more means 20% less. We have learned more person and less person by comparing two numbers. When we simplify the logic, we gamify our speed and we improve in solving problem. Remember, SSC and bank exams are not about being the smartest in the room. They're about being the fastest and more accurate. Stay sharp, stay consistent, and remember, we are here to simplify, gamify, and master mathematics together. Keep practicing. Don't fear maths. Simplify it, gamify it, and master it. I'll see you in the next session.